All right, coming home, getting in. Shannon says I have a package. So today I am going to take delivery of my Galaxy Buds 2 Pros. So, all right, little local football coming in, and we're going to see what I have and for my package. And Samsung has delivered me my package through UPS or FedEx, and it's not the Budweiser. So this is my package. Oh, it's not the phone. So this is my package from Samsung. So we're gonna do an unboxing. So it should be the Buzz, and it should be a 15-watt wireless charger in the box. So when I do the unboxing, if it doesn't have the wireless charger in there, or if it doesn't have the Buzz in there, I'm gonna have to redo the video. But I appreciate the fact that if there's everything is included, that I got everything that I need to go ahead and do this unboxing. So now that we got the package, we're gonna take a look. We're gonna get our boxing knife. So now that we have the package, let me get out my unboxing knife and let's take a look and see what Samsung has delivered to me in the box. Now I'm hoping that it has both items in the box so that I can give you a good review of it and unpackage this. So, all right. See the Samsung logo. And this is the packaging from Samsung. I'm gonna take the box, toss it to the side, and let's see what they have for me. So, that being said, it looks like it's just a fast charger. So this is just a fast charger. So we're doing an unboxing on just the fast, wireless fast charger. So let me get my knife back out and make a slice right here. And like I said, this is just going to be an unboxing of the fast charger today. And this is what you get with the fast charger. You get the fast charging. And look at here. You get the fast charger. You get the guide for the fast charger. You get a charging brick. Yes. All right, Samsung. That's what I'm talking about. You get the fast charging brick for the charger. And then you have the charging cable. So with this charging cable, it's not a short cable. It's a pretty long cable. So I'm happy with that from Samsung. Both Type-C connections on both ends. So you take this and you will plug it up into the brick, and then you will charge it and then you will plug it into the charger. So you got a vent on the back of the wireless charger. You got a vent for ventilation. You have a Type-C connection right here, and we're going to see how this works. First, you're going to get a red light, then a green light to indicate that the wireless charger is ready. So let's grab my phone. So we're going to set the S22 on there and see how the fast wireless charging. There it is. So it says fast wireless charging at 80%. It says it will be 30 minutes before it gets full. So this has 15-watt fast charging to it. And so with that being said, we're going to see how that works. We're going to see how the 15-minute fast wireless charging goes. That is the max. It says super fast wireless charging. And we're going to see how that works. And I'm going to try to enjoy this one, you know. So I have a wireless charger, but it's not a 15-watt one. It doesn't have a percent that it gives you as far as wattage. And so this is going to be a plus and a bonus. All right. Till the next time, hopefully we get the buds. So now I'm back the next day, and my Galaxy Bud 2 Pros have come in. Thank you, Samsung. So now we're going to do unboxing of the Buds. So let me get my trusty knife out, my unboxing knife. I'm going to get it, I'm going to open up the box, and we're going to do unboxing of these Buds. So, I thought yesterday I got my Buds and I got the charging, wireless fast charging, but I was mistaken. And so now today, we're going to do an unboxing of the Buds from Samsung. So we're going to take them out the box, set the box to the side, unravel them in all their so-called fancy packaging. Man, they really got them in there. And these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So in all their beauty, so we're going to get ready to unbox them, go over the specs, just a few of the features of the Buds. So right, and so with that being said, these are the Buds, and with the Buds you're going to get charger but no charging brick. So you'll get this charging cable, which is always good to have another cable. I got plenty. Don't know why they don't give a charging brick, but all the money that we spend, you would hope that they would give you a charging brick. So you get that, and you get ear tips. So mine are white. So with mine being, this is being said, this is my Galaxy Buds Pro number 2 Pro. These are my Galaxy Buds 2 Pros. And so in the box, you get that, and this right here, you get the books and the features. So like I said, you get a Type-C charging cable that comes with the Galaxy Buds, and we're just going to take a look at the Galaxy Buds right here off the rip. I've been excited to see them come in, and so these are the Galaxy Buds. So these are the Galaxy Buds. And with that being said, let me turn on my phone and let's open them up and watch them pair. So, a new device has been detected. Let's connect. Is connecting. There we go. Seamlessly. We go into the wearable app, and there it is. The Buds have, it's downloading the new software. And so these Buds are Samsung's latest and greatest Buds. I have the Galaxy Buds Plus. I like those Buds, but they do lack a little bit of bass. And so with this being said, I'm hoping that these have enough bass to make me want to keep them in my ear. And let's go. Check your earbuds for fit. So we're going to do that. You're going to check the Buds for fit. And see how they fit. Now, so far, they come with a size medium. And let's go through. Touch controls. So you got touch controls on them. You got play and pause with one tap. You double tap. You get play next track, answer, and calls. You get triple tap. You get play previous track. Touch and hold, user's choice. Change in settings, decline all calls. To play the next or the previous track by tapping, turn on the double or triple tap controls and settings. So we're going to go through all that over in the review. So we're just setting this up and getting everything. You got your user ambient sounds. So these are some of the features that we're going to go through as soon as I do the review. You can find my buds, tips and manuals. The batteries are 80%. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in and I'm going to bring in my charger that I got yesterday. And we're going to see how wireless charging is on the buds. So you see the red light indicate. And we're in pairing mode. We're in charging. So it's charging. And as you see the charge, there's going to be a little dot right here. It's going to say indication. It's going to be red. And that will go into a green mode when it is fully charged. So we're giving them a chance to charge. So I just got done with the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros and that Samsung sent me. And I got to say, so far, listening to these are different. And I got to thank Samsung for the free gift and the fact that it came with a charging brick and a Type-C charging cable with both devices, except for this didn't come with a charging brick. That's one thing Samsung is not doing right. For every device you get, you should get the ultimate package, and that's a charging brick and the cable. And I do appreciate the free gift of the free wireless charger, but I also would like a charging brick with every device, because that way you have multiple bricks. And I might be in one place and I take one with me, but I might be in another place where I want one with me at all times. So with that being said, in any place of the house. And that being said, I am happy that they sent me a charging brick with one of the devices that I got, or one of the products they gave me, but I would like two. So this has been great so far listening to. I took it to work with me for about an hour, listened to them. The review is coming. I can't wait to do the review on it, go through the app and the features of the Buds, and give my honest assessment on these new Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pros. Let's go. MC with Tech. Subscribe to the channel. Hit like and subscribe. Hit like and subscribe. Let's go.